So this is Sarah's handy button maker. She let me borrow it today for our project. And here's the buttons that we're going to be making. Like that. We're going to use our same vinyl that we're using for our cover. This is a little scrap I had laying around. So we're going to use, this is the top of the button. I'm going to lay it down on our vinyl. Trace around it. Right like that. You can see the circle. And then you're going to use the width of the button to kind of help you decide how much room to leave around the circle that we just made. So for this one we're going to double that width. So you can either go and sketch it on, or you can just kind of eyeball it when you cut it out. I'm going to go ahead and I'll sketch it on to just kind of make it easier for you to see. Okay, so the outer circle is where we're going to actually be cutting. Okay, so now that we have our piece of vinyl cut out, I'm going to lay it right on top, right like that. We'll take that top of the button and lay it in the center, and then you're going to push it in. Do it as far as you can by hand, and then I like to use a screwdriver to push it in the rest of the way. You want it to all go in there and be nice and even. At this point, we're going to take the bottom of the button. We're going to put it in the button maker right there. This one we're going to flip it upside down and place it on top. Let me slide this closer. So now all we have to do is we're going to take the handle and press. Okay, and there we have it. Like that, perfect button. So now we have all 3 buttons for our project.